Alright, so now to fix this height, a couple things need to be done. One is I accidentally hid that home bar. So I'm going to select the nav on our default, select this match selecting layers button, which is crazy awesome. I'm going to click my square bracket, so now that I can see the home. And then I'm going to press shift and select all of those. Well, I'll just do it one at a time. So we got to grab all of these navs here and change this from left to top to center and bottom, meaning we want it to connect to the bottom. Let us do that for the home bar as well. So left and bottom. Now we want center and bottom. Pretty sweet. Okay. Now if we look at this, we scroll down. Now it'll stick to the bottom. Now that makes it hide down below our interface here. So here's how you fix that. Okay, so I'm going to grab this nav bar and go to prototype. It's in a weird spot. And right here it says position scroll with parent. Instead I'm going to say fixed, stay in place. Before I do that, I'm going to select them all. Scroll with parent, fixed, stay in place. Look, it pops right down at the bottom. It looks hot. Pretty cool. Okay, that made the home bar hide. So let's go ahead and select all the home bars and do the same thing. Fix, stay in place. And move those up. Looks like I can't. I might not have selected all the home bars. Might not have. Let's try that again. Select all. Yeah, fixed. Up. Yep, that did it. Great. So the new number is 1200. So I think 1020. So it can really be the height. You generally will scroll to accommodate the content. A feature I don't care for is having to select the top. Can you do that? Oh, you can. 20. Okay, so we got that fixed. Same for this top bar. We don't want that scrolling. It's like a pet peeve of mine. So we'll select all of those. Bing. Go to prototype. Fix, stay in place. Nowsers. All of those should stay in place regardless. So that's very handy for these types of interface items. Let's see. So now we can scroll. Counter. Now we can scroll up and down. Let's just put something down here for demonstration purposes. Put something way down there. Yeah, see. Now this ain't scrolling up and down. This ain't scrolling up and down. And a couple pet peeves that these address. One is I cannot stand when UX, UI designers put arrows up here in their prototypes, or they put interface items up here, because it ain't go up there. It ain't go there. It goes down here. This is where the time and all of your status stuff goes. The same with this. They put this way low down here and they ignore this home bar. So they're not designing for the appropriate context, which I really don't like. So always put those little, whatchamacallits in there so that you're designing for the appropriate context and interface.